Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to choose as well as applying a font on Capcut application. So first thing we have to do is just open the Capcut application, and now you can just start a new project and find out what video that you want to add the text to. For example, I would like to have this. Oh no, it's not interesting. Okay, but janganlah. Okay, so let's have this, and after that, after you already have the project, and now you just need to go click text for adding the text, and after that go add text, and now you just need to type the text that you want to have into this video. For example, is strawberry. Okay, and you can see here the font here is quite basic, so if you want to change the font, you just need to go click the font, and you can explore the fonts that you already provide by the Capcut. Okay, there will be like several languages I have here. There is an English, Korean, Indonesian, Thai, and many more. You can just exploring the fonts for each languages. If you already found a good font in one language, you can just click. Okay, well, let's try this. Okay, and after that, if you already done with the finding or choosing the fonts, you just need to click it to apply it, and after you're done, just need to click done. And now you can like adjusting the size of your typewriting, make it bigger, and adjusting the positions. You can make it like lower or in the top positions like this, and after you're done, you just need to click done. You can also adjusting how long this text will appear on this project. If you want to make this video like appear in the whole clip, you just need to drag this side into the end of the clip, and now you already have a typewriting with the specific fonts that you want on your video. That's all the way how to choose and apply on the font on a Capcut application. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful, well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.